Hey guys, it's Kristen with APOKREATIONS, and this is going to be a Tumbler for the Fibromyalgia collaboration that is hosted by Gert at Gert Creates and Tina at Pour Resin with Love. So, it has to be something purple or have butterflies, so I thought, I'll do both. So I have this 40-ounce Big Betty. I think I got it from Tipsy Magnolia, maybe Hog. I don't know. I can't remember. Anyway, so I'm going to do the epoxy method to burnish on the glitter. And these things here are actually 3D printed little knobs that go over the pegs where the handle fits in. And I have to say, I really need to figure out where I got them from or figure out how to print my own, because they get filled up with resin and before you know it, it's, you know, it doesn't sit right. So yeah, there's that. But anywho, I'm gonna take this off of here so I can get this smushed around. No, that's not a real word. There is no such word as smushed. But basically what I do with these is I go around the little knobs, because that way, when all is said and done, the handle will go back on without a hitch. Oh, and the resin I'm using is the Bond Crafter Tumbler epoxy. And again, when you're doing this, you only need about 5 mils, give or take. You just got to make sure that you got it everywhere. And this is spray painted with, oh gosh, what's it called? Something grape. Although it doesn't really look that purple to me. It looks more maroon. But, you know, who am I, right? Okay. Hang on, let me grab that. The glitter I'm using is actually one that I have compiled over time. And it is, it's my purple dump glitter, but it is absolutely stunning. Here, I'm going to turn this on. And I'm going to start down here. But look at that. Oh, it's so gorgeous. All right, I'm going to wait until this goes over. Pour this back in. And then the only issue is getting those things back off without making a mess. So I'm going to let this go for probably, I don't know, 20, 30 minutes. And actually, before I do that, let me make sure that I get the bottom. Okay, that was awesome. Now I got glitter everywhere. But yeah, it's super sparkly. Okay, well, I'll be back in about 20 minutes. Okay, mixed up a couple mils over 40 of the Bond Crafter Tumbler epoxy. Whoops. Okay, I'll be back for the next step. Okay, so now it's time to put on the decals. And I have all of these beautiful multicolored butterflies.
Woke up aching, hands don't wanna move, but there's a project waiting, calling me through. Brush on the table, glitter on the floor. Even on the hard days, I create a little more. Resin curing while my body fights. Brain fog heavy, losing track of time. But in the colors I can finally breathe. In every pore there's a piece of me. They don't see the strength it takes just to show up and create. light in every design. From every low day, something still shines. We're not alone at our crafting tables. Together we're stronger. Together we're able. Tumblers spinning slow and steady. Some days I'm not, but my heart is ready. Sanding edges, shaping wood, finding small wins where I could. Paint-stained fingers, tired eyes, but this is where my power lies. Across the world, through every screen, the crafting family that knows what it means. When my hands won't cooperate, we help you create. When I feel too far behind, we remind you, take your time. We make it through the pain, we shine through the doubt, with glitter in our veins. We're not backing out when our bodies whisper you should rest. We create anyway, we give our best. We carry light in every design. From every low day, something still shines. We're not alone at our crafting tables. Together we're stronger. Together we're able. I see your struggle in every post. I feel that too, you're not alone. From resin pours to midnight chats, we heal a little, piece by piece like that. Hot pink, purple, blue and green, coloring life in between the seams. What they can't see, we turn into art. Every creation, a healing heart. Some days it's just opening the glue or sitting down, and that'll do. That's still a win. Don't let it fade. There's power in the things we make. We make it through the pain. We rise through it all. Every small victory answers the call. From shaky hands to finished art, there's strength in every fragile star. We carry light in every design, turning our struggles into something divine. A healing heart. We make it through the pain. Ooh, we shine anyway. Together we create.
Okay, so all right. I will mix up some resin and get it done. All right, once again, whoop, probably up if I turned it on, yeah?
We we carry light. Woke up heavy like the sky won't clear. Every step feels louder than it shouldn't hear. Body whispering pain, I can't outrun, but I'm still breathing, I'm not done. They don't see it, but it's always there. Invisible weight that I learned to bear. Smiling through it just to get by. But some days I just ask why. And when the world says just push through, they don't know what we go through. We rise in pieces, we rise in pain. Through every storm, through every flame. Even when our bodies say no more, we find a way to open one more door. We carry light when the night feels long. We find our strength in each other's song. We're not alone in what we feel. Together we remind each other we're real. Brain fog rolling like a midnight tide. Losing words I had just inside. But I'm still here, still holding on. Even when the clarity is gone. Fatigue hits harder than anyone knows. Like gravity pulling through my bones. But I found voices across the miles who understand these hidden trials.
When I'm breaking down,
We lift you now.
when I lose my ground,
We gather round. We rise in pieces, we rise in pain. Through every storm, through every flame. Even when our bodies say no more, we find a way to open one more door. We carry light when the night feels long. We find a strength in each other's song. We're not alone.
Okay, so now I need to put the handle back on. And unfortunately, God dang it. All right, now I gotta find the other screw. Anyway. Okay, I'm gonna put you on pause so I can dig that other screw off. Okay. Luckily, it just fell in the drawer, so. Okay, whew. All right. Now I just gotta get all that glitter out of the bottom. And normally I would try and put a top on here that matched the tumbler, but I didn't. I couldn't find any purple ones. I have pink ones, green ones, yellow ones, blue ones, but yeah. All right, so now that the handle's on, I will put up some glamour shots after this. Do me a favor, like the video, subscribe, leave me a comment, tell me what you think. Don't forget to check out the playlist for the Fibromyalgia collab in the description below. And I'll see you guys for the next one. Have a blessed day. Take care. Bye-bye.